Tired of drowning in a sea of paper? Let's unlock the power of Zapier to automate your PDF workflow and reclaim your productivity. Zapier connects your favorite apps, and today we're focusing on how it can revolutionize how you handle PDF documents. First, let's imagine receiving a PDF form submission on email. We'll use Zapier to automatically save this PDF to cloud storage like Google Drive. In Zapier, we'll start by creating a new Zap. Our trigger will be receiving an email with a PDF attachment. We'll set up filters to make sure we're only grabbing the emails we need, perhaps by subject line or sender. Next, we choose our action, Create File. In Google Drive, we'll map the attachment's name and content from your email directly into the file creation step now. Every time you get a relevant email, that PDF is automatically saved. But Zapier doesn't just save PDFs. It can create them too. Imagine clients filling out a form, their data populates a Google Sheet, and Zapier automatically generates a personalized PDF contract from that data. Need to extract information from your PDFs? There are Zapier integrations that can parse PDFs, pulling out key details like names, addresses, or invoice numbers, and then adding that data directly into a spreadsheet. This means less manual data entry, fewer errors, and more time for what truly matters. Streamline your document management today with Zapier.